Hello guys, welcome back to Nana's Food World. Today we are making this delicious, healthy, yummy and very easy recipe. This is chili oil with a twist. So if you are here, you are welcome. Yes, you can pair with any food of your choice and it adds so much flavor to it. So if you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Let's do this. It's absolutely delicious. Yes guys, to start I have my beef. Yes, as you can see, I'm adding beef to my chili oil. This is a twist, okay? But yes, if you don't like it, it's optional. But yes, I love it to have this crunchy beef in my chili oil. So I add some black pepper, white pepper and some salt to it. Let it cook in its own juices, as you can see here. Okay, so that's, I'm going to fry it nicely so it's nice and dry so that it won't really affect the chili oil. Yes. So I'm using avocado oil. I use avocado oil for it to be healthy in the first place, and also it has really high temperature, so you can use avocado oil to fry. Don't use olive oil because when it's really heating up, yes, it turns to something not good for you. All right, so I fry it nice, as you can see, nice and dry and chewy. Yes, I love that. So yes, take it out and put it aside. Now I'm adding sliced garlic. Yes, I'm adding sliced garlic, so I'll just fry the garlic so that's it's kind of really nicely fried and not burnt. Okay, as you can see here, don't burn your garlic. Garlic burns very easily. So the next bit, I take it out and I add some onions, okay, chopped onions, and I allow it to caramelize really nicely. It gives flavor, so much flavor to the chili oil. Yes, it's chili oil with a twist, guys, and it tastes amazing. Just look at that, it's really nicely caramelized, and I tell you, it gives the sweetness to the chili oil. So try this recipe, guys. It's very, very easy, but it's really good. So yeah, I'm going to blend them. I add some cloves and also some thyme to it, and then I'm going to blend it with the oil. It's all blended nicely, as you can see here. Very, very quick recipe. Okay, so I add some salt to it because I need a little bit of salt in it. Okay, and then I'm going to add the other ingredients, which is cayenne pepper and chili flakes. All right, I added cayenne pepper because I want it to be healthy. Go and search for cayenne pepper. It gives you a lot of healthy benefit. Okay, so search for it. I'm not going to say it, but go and look for it and thank me later. So I add my cayenne pepper, okay, and also I am going to add my chili flakes as well. So just come along with me, adding all the ingredients together, okay, before we add our oil. Whilst I'm doing this, my oil, avocado oil, is on fire, is heating up. Okay, so I'm adding all these, and then I'm going to just add the oil in the last place. So I'm adding some bay leaf to it. I told you it's a healthy guys, it's healthy chili oil. Yeah, I love it. It's so good. If you don't like shito, try this, okay? You will love it, and it can go with any food of your choice. It adds so much flavor. I'm tasting it. Then I'm adding my hot oil, okay? Hot avocado oil. Yes, you can also use coconut oil if you prefer. I love avocado oil. Okay, yeah. So yeah, just add it to it, and then we are good to go. We are good to go, guys. Absolutely delicious. So try this recipe, and I tell you, you are going to love it. It's all done. Just look at that. All done. It smells good. It tastes good. It's healthy. It's delicious, and the onions give it so much sweetness. You can, when it's cooled down, put it in a bottle, okay, and then put it in your fridge, or can leave it outside. It will take a long time for it to get spoiled. Guys, I finished it very quickly. Absolutely delicious. Please like and share this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.